and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, I might look good and ready to go, but I actually still have one more thing to do. So at work the other day, I was talking with a woman that I work with, and she was asking me about my brows, and so of course I was telling her all about them. And it got me thinking that I haven't talked about my brows with you in a really long time. I do have a brow class on how I do my brows normally, and that really hasn't changed, so if you're interested, I'll link it for you. But I just kind of thought I would do my brows with you this morning before I go into work. And also test out a new brow pencil. Lately, I have been loving and using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Please excuse my nails. I need to go get them done. Don't judge. But it has a little twisty up and it has a little spoolie on the other side. I just love this pencil. I actually just recently used this pencil on a bride, and she actually called me a couple days later and was like, oh my gosh, what did you use on my brows? And of course I told her what it was. But Covergirl has come out with a new brow pencil, and it's called the Easy Breezy Brow Micro-Fine+Define. So micro, I kind of thought it would be a good comparison. So we're gonna use this today. I'm gonna let you know my thoughts. Since I use this every day, I'll kind of know if I like this in comparison. So you might notice that this is already open, and that's because I got this at Target the other day, and the next day I wanted to use it, and then I thought, you know what, I kind of want to film my first reaction to it, so I put it back in the container. So this also has a little twist up, and it also has a little spoolie. I like to spoolie my brows first, just kind of get them going in the right direction. I also feel like it feels kind of good. I always start with kind of the front bit of my brow, and I like to just make lines that go up. Just kind of in that first little section of my brow, and then I like to draw a line from here to here, kind of where my eyebrow starts to arch down. And as you can see, I'm just making small little strokes, almost as if I'm drawing in individual pieces of hair. I don't draw one solid line. And then from there, I go from about right here where I stopped doing the upward strokes, and I go from here to the top angle of my brow where it starts to go down, and I kind of just do the same thing. Make little lines. And then once I get to here, I do lines down. And I kind of try to go with the natural angles of my hair. I always extend just a little bit further than my actual eyebrow goes, but not much. And then from there you can kind of fill in the middle, and there you go. That's kind of how I do my brows. So you can see my brow looks pretty good over here, but this just looks a little bit more finished and polished. Now let's talk about the brow pencil. I actually like it. It's doing a pretty decent job. I don't know if it glides on as easily as the NYX one, but it still works pretty well, and I know this was cheaper than the NYX one. So yeah, I think it's doing a pretty good job. All right, let's do the other brow. I just like a really straight line coming up here. I don't like it to be roundy right here. I like it to be more boxy. And then when I get to about here, I kind of start doing a straight line towards the arch. Perfect! And then if you would like to kind of blend everything together, you can use your spoolie again to kind of just go through and make sure the brow hairs are going in an upward direction. And also, if you ever get out of line, like you're like, oh, I didn't want that there, you can use the spoolie to kind of just like erase it away. On a side note, if you have a spoolie at home and you already have a brow pencil at home and you just kind of want to change up your technique a little bit, I like to bend my spoolie like this. This is just one I bought. It's an e.l.f. one from Target, and I just like the way it angles, and yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. Feel free to try out the technique that I do using your own products, or go out and buy one of these. I love this NYX Micro Brow Pencil, but I feel like this Covergirl one did a great job as well, and a little bit less expensive. So depending on what you're going for, there's something for you. I hope you got something out of this little class, and if you did, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. If you're new to to my channel. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. So please do make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because that's what lets you know when I upload a new class so you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you soon.